Hello again everyone, and welcome back to another PowerPoint tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create this amazing PowerPoint presentation. We are going to start with a blank slide. I'm going to enter 3 more slides. And I'm going to insert picture on each of the slide. I'm going to insert a picture on this first slide. I'm going to select this picture here. I'm going to crop this picture to aspect ratio 16:9. And I'm going to stretch this image to fill the slide like this. I'm going to repeat the same process with the next 3 slides with different images. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go to the first slide again. I'm going to copy this image on the slide. And I'm going to go to Format Background. I'm going to select Picture or Texture Fill. And I'm going to select on the option Clipboard. So I'm going to get this picture for my slide background. I'm going to repeat the same process with the next 3 slides. You can follow the same steps. Once I'm done, I'm going to go to the first slide and I'm going to insert a shape on the slide. I'm going to select this rectangular shape with rounded corners. For the height of the shape, I'm going to go with 5.19. And for the width of this shape, I'm going to go with 10.72. I'm going to middle align and center align this blue shape. I'm going to remove the outline of this shape. I'm going to copy this shape and I'm going to paste it on the next 3 slides. Once I'm done, I'm going to go to the first slide again. I'm going to select the image. Then I'm going to go to picture. For sharpness, I'm going to go with -100%, and for brightness, I'm going to go with -50%. Once I'm done, I'm going to select the image and then the blue shape. I'm going to go to merge shape and I'm going to select the option intersect. I'm going to also add a 3D format for this shape. For top bevel, I'm going to select the option round. For width, I'm going to go with 20 point. And for height, I'm going to go with 4.5 point. Where to add line, where to select the option gradient line. I'm going to delete these 2 for stops, and for both the 2 stops I'm going to select the color white. Now I'm going to repeat the same process on the rectangular shape on all 3 slides. You can follow the same steps again. Once you're done with that, I'm going to go to the first slide. I'm going to insert content on each of the slide like this. Once I'm done, I'm going to delete the unnecessary slide. I'm going to go to the first slide. I'm going to add icon on this slide. You can get this icon from non-project. Once I'm done inserting the icon, I'm going to select this shape, and then the icon, I'm going to go to merge shape, and I'm going to select the option subtract. Again, I'm going to repeat the same process with the next 3 slides. I'm going to add some icon, and I'm going to subtract. Once you're done with that, I'm going to select going to select the content with the shape, and I'm going to group them together. I'm going to repeat this process with all the slides. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to select all the 4 slides. I'm going to go to transition, and I'm going to select the rotate transition, the option rotate. And for transition, I'm going to go with 4.00. And once you're done with that, you're going to get this PowerPoint presentation. I hope you all enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.